आज मैं आया हूँ देहरादून के एक ऐसे कैंपस में जो कि अपने क्वालिटी एजुकेशन, हैपनिंग कैंपस लाइफ और बिगर पैकेजेस के लिए मशहूर है। हाय, माय नेम इज़ अजय और आज हम बात करेंगे दून बिजनेस स्कूल देहरादून के स्टूडेंट्स से और जानेंगे कैंपस की रियलिटी। वीडियो को ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं करेंगे, अभी हम लोग सीधा जाएंगे क्लासरूम्स में और रैंडम स्टूडेंट से बात करेंगे। चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। आपका नाम एंड शहर?
So I'm from Bangalore and I'm Siddesh.
ठीक है,
Currently doing my BSc Agriculture Honours at Doon Global University.
ठीक है। और एग्रीकल्चर में इसमें क्या स्कोप है? इंडिया में अभी क्या ट्रेंड चल रहा है? कैसे आप करियर प्लान कर रहे हैं?
My career is heading like I want to do a startup and I already have done many pilot projects in our college. So
Okay.
I'm working with many pilot projects recently also and my staff is really helpful with that. So I'm planning towards entrepreneurship. But I guess the trend is following for government jobs, entrepreneurship, and many new startups are also coming up by students.
What sort of government jobs, if you can elaborate?
Like government jobs, there's a wide sector. Like you can go into banking, you can become a field officer, you can get into Krishi Vigyan Kendras. So there's a wide option for agriculture students ahead.
ठीक है, and government jobs,
Yes.
well-paying government jobs. What sort of entrepreneurship you are into? Like, if you can.
Currently, I have started my pilot project in edible oil production.
Okay.
Wherein we have two lines recently, which is coconut oil and groundnut oil, which we are producing from our own farms,
ठीक
which
है।
is located in Karnataka.
ठीक है, तो अभी आप कुछ सेल्स भी कर रहे हैं या?
Yeah, I have just started the sales at our campus in our fest. That is what now we have started.
Okay, it's like a baby.
Initial, yeah,
हाँ,
it's just a budding entrepreneur.
ओके, ग्रेट, बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर दैट। अभी एग्रीकल्चर का जो प्लान है, आपने डीबीएस में आप आए तो आपने बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ कंपेयर की होंगी, राइट? बिकॉज यू कम फ्रॉम साउथ एंड नाउ कमिंग टू नॉर्थ, देयर वर लॉट्स ऑफ ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल। व्हाई डिड यू चूज
So
डीबीएस?
the first thing was the culture difference. So
Okay.
basically, being from South India, I wanted to experience the culture of North India. That was
Right.
my main intention to come so far away from home. And the second thing is the availability of seats. Like there was no donation.
राइट,
Like that was a very easy go and easy come process for our admission, and there were no problems. And when I met faculties on my first day, so I got that confidence that yeah, this would be the right place for me to continue my graduation because the faculty are so good and all are like PhD level doctors. So
Okay.
I guess they have the very depth knowledge
Experienced
about
faculty and
yeah,
everything.
all are experienced and very depth knowledge about the subjects.
okay, great. When you visited this campus, did you come with your parents or you came
Yeah,
alone?
I had come with my parents.
So they also got the same feedback or
Yes, sure.
feeling?
Because although students like the campus, but the first thing is parents, like the security feel which they feel because I'm so far away from home and I don't have a guardian. So I don't think so there were any problems regarding this issue.
Okay. So did you ever face any ragging or anything,
No,
any
no,
such thing in
absolutely
campus? Any racist thing, or because you
No.
come from south?
No, never
there are
I
people,
felt that. Like, yeah, when I had gone to some other universities, I felt that little bit. But when I came here, there were many students already from South. So it was a very nice, homey feeling here.
Okay, and let's talk about your faculties. Like classes regular होती हैं या नहीं होती हैं? कैसा है आपका
like
faculty
classes we
experience?
have regular from morning 8:40 start हो जाती है and we have field practical classes, field sessions. Like we have classes till 4:40 almost daily.
ठीक है। इंडिया में अगर हम लोग बात करें, अभी स्टूडेंट्स ना ज़्यादातर ट्रेंड में है कि है ना अदर कोर्सेज की तरफ ज़्यादा भाग रहे हैं। आपको लगता है कि इंडिया में एग्रीकल्चर की अवेयरनेस होनी चाहिए और इसमें एक अच्छा करियर बनाया जा सकता
like मेरे को लगता है कि every family first has to change their thinking where every family should feel like हमें भी हमारा घर का किसान होना चाहिए.
Right.
Like जैसे होता है ना, like people want a doctor, a engineer, but even a farmer is important at the family
Right.
level. So I guess agriculture is the right place to start your journey because there is wide, like you can go to many fields after agriculture. Food processing होता है, post harvest होता है, and there are like widespread sectors, engineering,
और ये कभी
MSc.
भी आउट
Change.
ऑफ लीग नहीं जाएगा ये
जाएगा.
करियर ऑप्शन।
Yes.
ग्रेट। लास्ट क्वेश्चन, अगर आपको डीबीएस जो आपका यूनिवर्सिटी है इसको अगर मार्क्स देना है आउट ऑफ 10, आपका जो ये ओवरऑल 4 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, तो आप कितना मार्क्स देना
I would rate the university out of 10 a 8.5.
चाहिए? 8.5। ग्रेट, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम।
Sure. Thank you.